give it a listen. Do you have any other song recommendation?
Definitely. How about Dance Monkey by Thomas and I? It's a fun and upbeat track that you might enjoy.
Thanks for the suggestion. I will check it out. What do you like most about Sunflower?
I love the energy in the song and how it lifts my mood instantly. It's perfect for a feel-good vibe.
Let's play a great pick me up song. I'll add it to my playlist. Thanks for sharing your music taste.
You're welcome. Music